Howdy everyone! My imaginary friend, that bunny, is going to bring this space story to you today.
Space.
Hello. NASA reveals we live in a deflated croissant. I have a question. Do you have an answer? Do you know we may live in a very strangely shaped solar system? If you're curious and you want to know more about the shape of our solar system, follow me and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. A few hours ago, NASA revealed the strange shape of our solar system, a deflated croissant. According to The Independent, the new findings came after researchers used data from a variety of NASA missions to plot out the shape of the magnetic bubble surrounding all of the planets in our system. Traditionally, depictions of that bubble have shown it as something like a comet, with a rounded leading edge and a long trail behind it. But the data shows we live in a system that appears like a croissant that has been badly baked, or if you prefer, we can also associate this shape with an ear. The magnetic bubble that wraps around all the planets in our solar system is made as material flows out of the sun in the solar wind. Outside of it is the point known as the interstellar medium, which fills up the gap between our solar system and the other planetary systems that are our neighbors throughout the galaxy. It is hard to get a picture of what that bubble, known as the heliosphere, from inside looks like. Outside this bubble is the interstellar medium, the ionized gas that fills the space between stellar systems in our galaxy. The shape of this bubble is one question scientists have tried to answer for years, which travels through space with our sun as it orbits the center of our galaxy. The shape of the heliosphere is difficult to measure from within. The closest edge of the heliosphere is more than 10 billion miles from Earth. Only the two Voyager spacecraft have directly measured this region, leaving us with just 2 points of ground truth data on the shape of the heliosphere. But researchers are able to get a picture of the bubble from inside by looking at particles that fly toward Earth. Those charged particles come to us from a distant part of the galaxy, as well as within our solar system, and bounce off the bubble and around it before coming to Earth where they can be measured. A NASA mission known as the Interstellar Boundary Explorer uses them as something like a radar, looking for how they bounce off the edges to understand where the edge might be. Additionally, NASA's New Horizons mission has provided measurements of pickup ions, particles that are ionized out in space and are picked up and move along with the solar wind. Because of their distinct origins from the solar wind particles streaming out of the sun, pickup ions are much hotter than the other solar wind particles. The researchers combined that data with information from NASA's missions to other planets such as the Cassini and New Horizons missions that headed further out into our solar system, which gave further measurements on the solar wind. By combining all of that data, they were able to build up the deflated croissant view of our solar system. Understanding the heliosphere and its shape is key to our understanding of life on Earth. The bubble works like a shield, protecting us from particles called galactic cosmic rays, which are thrown out of supernova with intense energy and can cause problems for life on Earth. It may also help us understand where else life in the universe could be found. Since our heliosphere is so key to keeping us safe from galactic cosmic rays, it may be that other planetary systems that don't have similar protection might be uninhabitable, and that planets in those areas would never be able to sustain life. What do you think? Do you like the idea that we live in a solar system that looks like a badly baked croissant? Leave a comment now. Your opinion matters.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, press thumbs down twice, just to be sure. Take it easy. Peace. Oh, by the way, I'm an alien. But not that kind of alien.